Ngisodi Mathebula aka Erimela Mbaloi. Murimukio. I'm from Mamelodi in Pretoria.
Ubungoma kuyisiko indlela yokuthwasisa umuntu onengulo kamoya, umuntu oguliswa imimoya. Uthi makagula emzimbeni angene kwadokotela bangaboni lutho ba misdiagnose.
Uma uthi ukuba ugobela usukhulisa abantwana nedlozini. Labantwana abakwazi ukuyikhulisa manje. Badinga ukugobela ukuthi bayikhulise.
We don't see amathwasa as a sex object. We don't see amathwasa as people we can abuse.
No, yes, yeah. Amathwasa manje ngiyabona ukuthi abasayenzi lento ukuthi umuntu abeke imali phansi before zokhuluma naye. Ayisekho lento leyo. Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. My name is Patanani, I am your chef, and you know what's so nice, darlings? Ngiphethe amadoda. But guys, before we start the show, I really don't know why ngashadi or propose or toli, because ngihlale ngiphethe abantu besilisa nasemsebenzini nje kwenzakalani
Thokoza mkhulu.
Thokoza.
Uramit so uthola umendo
yazi angithola umendo eliphi ngihlisa namadoda abahle kanjani buka nje lapha ekhoneni
Ama yellow bone.
Kabanga abantwana bayophuma lapho.
Maybe you know what, sometimes uthola ukuthi isikhathi asikaka be right or ungakamthola umuntu omfunayo or uthola ukuthi namadlozi akini asakufunela umuntu omfunayo. So abanye abantu uthola ukuthi nabo baza ngama chances kuwe. So nawo amadlozi wakho azokwazi ukuthi abaphushe away. So umuntu kwamele ukuthi umele isikhathi sakho ukuthi sifike. No matter how much you try.
Wow, mawumuntu kumele umele isikhathi sakho ukuthi sifike. Sometimes amadlozi wakho awafuni ukuthi uhlale nalo muntu lo then azompush. Thank you so much. Guys, please introduce yourself. Who are you? Where you from? And what's special about you? You can leave your numbers if you want. Maybe after this episode they might want to contact you. Who knows? You'll start there, he will follow, then you'll go.
Dumela Ngisodi Mathebula aka Erimela Mbaloi. Murimukio. I'm from Mamelodi in Pretoria. A traditional doctor, a Sanusi, social worker at the same time. And I've been practicing almost for the last 30 years now. 30 years. So I've been in this field ever since Ngimngani. So I've lived, I've done everything ebungomeni.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. Silence, please. Please introduce yourself.
Siyabonga nje Sonjingase. Phakama mthidile insizwa imidwa namakhensi kumiyamilanga lengekho. Khendenza ngezinye impande mthabantsini nesimuhu milithatha ezingahlazi kethi methi shenhliziyo zamadoda ayibomvu ushobe elikhulu ushobe edlula amanye shoba lenjula mthako zinjula into lesizwe siza ngemiyalo. Phembe kaloku uthi amagujo wena ombezimbiwa esingambiki siyathwebuleka kulobuzadla ikhango kusele belusi ngithikhuluma wena mlomo ngathethi imanga umkhulu ushobe elikhulu lo kwaSimelane all the way from Northwest Province endaweni ebizwa ngeKlipgat sofa sonke ongumlaphi wendabuko inyanga ethwasisa abantwana umhlaziyi wamaphupho imboni nokunye ke ukukulapha wendabuko siyabonga Sonjingase hlanganela noza kwethu namhlanje. I'm very honored ukubona lamadoda aseduze kwami siwabonela kude abafuna ukutholana nami ke ngiku WhatsApp kuphela anginayo ifoni ephendulekayo ngiku WhatsApp ku 065 525 7008 kulapho ngitholakala khona ke ushobe elikhulu kaSimelani ku TikTok. Siyabonga.
Thokozani mkhulu Ramets intiza kakwena ntabuka eJohannesburg what else? Yeah, mkhulu Ramets.
I don't know. Yes.
Okay, specialize in bone reading ngiyathwasisa nami at the same time ngisebenza abantu ngiyahlola umsebenzi wami ngisangoma from a very young age. Ngina 21 years ngisangoma namanje ngisakhulele edlozini ngisaziphathe kahle ngisabonga amadlozi asekhaya. Thokozani.
Thokozani. You know what, I am honored to have you here. Please note that I don't take you guys for granted. Let's do a cheers. And make sure you do a cheers, you drink, you look at me emehlweni, because I don't want to have a bad sex for 7 years. Wow. Nibazwile basichazile ukuthi bangobani babuya kuphi. And 30 years in the industry. Akusiyo umdlalo lo.
No. I know each and every trick namanga ebungomeni.
So kusho ukuthi lama questions enginawo namhlanje ngithola abantu aba right. Shabekula, how many years you've been in this industry?
Hayi imfihlo man Sontshingase.
Okay.
Yeah.
21 years.
Yes, 21.
Wow.
Yes.
Hayi namhlanje kuzoshuba. Angisithandi njalo imfihlo mina. But anyway, namhlanje sizokhuluma ngezinto ezi sensitive, and these things esikhuluma ngazo la ziningi abantu aba strong. Abantu abanga imfihlo lana ke angila. But anyway, ngifuna just an overview. Sizokhuluma ngobungoma nobugobela. Ubungoma nobugobela namadlozi. Ubungoma, ubugobela, amadlozi. So right now, I need an overview. When we hear these 3 words, what comes in your mind?
Ubugobela. Can I start with ubugobela? Ubugobela, ukuba ugobela. Another thing that people don't understand, uyagobela. And ubugobela, you train other people. Uphilisa abantu, uba nabantwana babantu ebahlala in your yard. Ukhulisa amadlozi wabo as much as ukhulisa nelakho idlozi. So you respect idlozi lomunye umuntu at the same time. And ugobela needs ukuthi azihloniphe ebantwini, ukuthi abantu nabo bamhloniphe, ahloniphe futhi namathwasa. And ugobela is an essential worker kahle engumlaphi wendabuko, because at the same time uyi-social worker. Kunamagulo angafuni imithi, afuna umlomo ukuthi abantu baphilise ngomlomo. Just like uma ithwasana lingena, abantu abaningi bavele bathatha ithwasana uma lingena liza kugobela, balithathe balishayele. Kanti lo muntu okwengcondo akalunganga. Kudingeka ukuthi uhlale naye phansi, u-exercise ingcondo yakhe, ubone to be sure ukuthi ngempela likhona idlozi ngempela, or kunalobugulo lobengcondo besayike bokuthi uhlale naye phansi nikhulume lo muntu wabantu aphole. So in a way ubugobela uma ngichaza kahle ukuthi nawe gobela, hlonipha amadlozi walomuntu eze kuwe because of ulethe idlozi kuwe.
Wow. Profound.
Siyabonga Sontshingase. Ubungoma kuyisiko lokuthwasisa umuntu ogulayo onengulo kamoya. Ubungoma kuyisiko, indlela yokuthwasisa umuntu onengulo kamoya, umuntu oguliswa imimoya. Uthi makagula emzimbeni angene kwadokotela bangaboni lutho ba misdiagnose. So kudingeka ukuthi aye kuphi engomeni, uyangithola ayongena ebungomeni. Yabo kulelo siko leli ngikhuluma ngalo. Bese ke ugobela inyanga ethwasisa umuntu phakathi kwale siko lasebungomeni leli okuwumuntu ogotshelwayo, like to bow down. Kukhona umuntu ogobelwayo lapha ekhaya ubizwa ukuthi ugobela, kodwa uyinyanga lo muntu ngoba usuke ezokhanyisela lo muntu osuke ngene ebungomeni ke, uyabo. Then ke amadlozi Sontshingase imimoya eza ngenhlukumezo noma ukuhlukumeza umuntu ophilayo ngokwenyama. Umuntu ehlangahlangane nje kube nama mood swings, kube namaphupho angekho mahle, aphupha abantu angabazi, kube kuningi, usuke lo muntu lo angenwe yileyo mimoya leyo yabantu bakubo ababuyisiwe mhla beshona, bahlala isikhathi esithile, babuya bazongena enganeni, baba amadlozi kulo mntwana loyo ke. Mabangena sebabuya bawumoya ohlukumezayo. It's a possessing spirit ngokwesilungu. Ngiyabonga.
Thokoza mkhulu. Yes, amadlozi abantu abakini abasebahambile la emhlabeni, so bafuna ukubuya bazophila as a spirit kuwe, bazosebenza ngawo. And then kuba ugobela, I think umuntu okumele ukuthi umkhanyisele indlela. It doesn't mean ukuthi uma ugobela uyidlozi lo muntu loyo, automatically lo muntu loyo unamadlozi wakubo. so wena kwamele ukuthi umuphe ilight ube yi-supervisor yakhe ukuthi umbonise ukuthi la ekhaya sebenza 1 na 2 na 3. And then another question ke ubungoma it's a spiritual calling whereby you are haunted at the same time by imimoya. I think abafowethu bakhulumile kakhulu, so angifuni ukukhuluma exactly lento abayikhulumile. Thokoza mkhulu.
Thokozani. I love it. I've got a question. Sekuyashoba ke manje. Mkhulu, or should I say Soli? Mkhulu. Ukhulume ngokuthi ukuba ugobela usuke ukhulisa abantwana edlozini. Anybody can answer the question. Uma uthi ukuba ugobela usukhulisa abantwana edlozini. Labantwana abakwazi ukuyikhulisa bani? Badinga ukugobela ukuthi bayikhulise.
Yes, remember we've got self-initiates. Okay. And people don't understand ukuthi ithwasa elinye nelinye linomoya olidayo. Ukuthi ngibe ugobela kuna lelo dlozi lethwasa elikhuluma nami ukuthi kulungise umoya othize. So banawo umoya obakhulisayo kodwa odiga uprincipal ukuthi athathe i-torch from this level to another level. Okay. So there is idlozi elikhulisa umuntu ngokwalo, but elidinga omunye umuntu ukuthi alikhiphe alide to the particular level yobunyanga.
Okay, Thokoza mkhulu, to add up upon mkhulu Soli, like he's saying ukuthi remember unawo amadlozi, but now you are saying ukuthi okay, when these people come to us bafuna ukuthwasa kwamele ukuthi baphuthulele because of now sibachazisela amaphupho wabo. Remember when as umkhulu Soli has said, when so yenzile process yonke, but now they need guidance. Another thing kunemithetho ekumele ukuthi bafundise yona, especially whereby kwamele ukuthi ba understand ukuthi mawusebenza ngabantu umuntu like umlapha kanjani. When you saying ukuthi they can be self initiates, where I'm going to say to you, sometimes uyabafundisa abantu ukuthi imithi like wikala kanjani, izifo azifani. So as umkhulu Soli is saying that kuno principle ofunekayo, so you can ungawaphupha namaphupho leyo, but at the same time you need a mentor that is going to help you throughout your spirituality.
And again, to add on that, aliko ithwasa elingena emngomeni lingana lelo dlozi elilidayo. 95% of them bangena ebungomini balele sebafundiswe ukuhlola, bafundiswe imithi, bafundiswe nokupholisa abantu. And thina ogobela, when we come bafika emzini yethu, what we have to do ukuthi siqhubeke nalento ebayiphiwe, singayivali, singayiquestioni. Our problem thina bogobela, we want everything ukuthi ifane. Kimupedi kimtsonga. I will never be a Zulu. Angeke ngibe umvenda. But if umuntu ogcoka ihiya elihawu elibovu elakibo, let the person wear ihiya lakibo entwaseni yakho, because uze kwakho ukuzokhulisa idlozi lakhe hayi elakho. Our problem is sikhulisa amadlozi wethu ngabantwana babantu. That is why the whole field ihlangahlangene bathi bayavalwa. Ngiyavuma ngithi yabavala because of siyafana sonke sise high school sigqoka uniform efanayo.
Yes, that's
Sonchinas, uyabona ebungomeni ne noma kulapheni kwendabuko kunama terminologies esiwasebenzisayo ongathi mawungawathatha ngelinguistic meaning uwa misunderstand. Ukukhula kukathwasa is not growing up ne, it's not growing up ngokwesilungu, but it's rather a training of some sort. Ukukhula kwathwasa makuthiwa umntwana uzokhuliswa kumele etrainiwe. Yebo, is necessary, wonke umuntu kumele ekhule irregardless ukuthi umuntu umngoma, umuntu ugedla iqhwele or ngakachupe or ngakachicha whatever ama-herbalist kumele lowo muntu ekhuliswe ngokwemithi noma lowo muntu loyo kuthiwa mhlawumbe it's a dream interpreter kumele ekhuliswe lowo muntu loyo so kumele etrainwe within lento le anayo ngoba for an example ukuphupha kukodwa uyangithola umuntu makaphupha kukodwa you'll never be sure ukuthi le mimoya le ekuphuphisayo uyangithola efika kuwena ngaleli phupho imoya yamadluzi wakini uyangithola noma imimoya engasayo yamadluzi wakini imimoya emibi like demons take impersonating i-image yomuntu wakini kumele kube nomuntu ozokuhlukanisa ukuthi lalela leli phupho leli is not for implementation le implementation ke ukukhuliswa ke ngokomoya everybody has to answer your question wonke umuntu uyadinga ukukhuliswa ngokomoya ngoba kumele etrain ukuthi lezo zinto azazi angamani enze nanoma yini ngoba egcineni makahlangahlanganisa izinto lo muntu angakhuliswa then uzo collapse uyayibona into yonke into ekhona emhlabeni mayiqala uyangithola at the initial stage angithi uma sithi mhlambi sikhuluma nge-initiation sikhuluma nge-process yokuqala angithi mayiqala yonke into kumele iqale ikhuliswe vele just like umntwana omncane uzalwa anenyawo anezandla anomlomo anamehlo anamakhala anayo yonke into aphelele kuumuntu ophelele kodwa kumele efundiswe inkambo ukuthi kumele ahambe kanjani afundiswe izinto ekumele ayiphathe ukuthi ungayibamba lena ibeyond amandla wakhe ngeke akwazi ukuyibamba ngeke ubambise umntwana omncane i12.5 yempuphu uyayibona leyo nto so kumele train umntwana for the safety yakhe ngoba if umntwana angatrainiwa vele ubungozi buzoba buningi kumele atrainwe futhi efundiswe ini idiscipline ngaleso sikhathi uyakhuliswa so that is the meaning yokukhuliswa mase sifika in a shamanic understanding uyabo ngiyabo
Yes, mkhulu.
Besikhuluma ngani? Oh, answer lento ayikhulumile mkhulu.
I thought you want to say something. If you don't have anything.
No, it's fine.
you
Yeah, I
don't
think
need
Mkhulu Soli has said a lot. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Now, I want to come back here now. Remember the way my question, okay. And I love it because the question that I have already seniwa Yenzele Foundation.
Yeah.
Congratulations. Okay. Ukhulume ngenhlonipho. Yabo Gobela because uqale wathatha uGobela. Why you decided to in your speech to bring inhlonipho?
Ukuthi abogobela bahlonipha amathwasa. We don't see amathwasa as a sex object. We don't see amathwasa as people we can abuse, verbally so and physically. I have to be honest with you, ukuthwasisa, it has now become a business. Respect that person who's bringing food etafuleni lakho. Respecta idlozi lalo muntu elimlethe ejardini lakho. Believe you me, there are those students who come in my yard, they'll bring thousands and thousands of clients. And when they leave, when they go home, you won't see those clients anymore. Because of those clients, bewaleta ile dlozi lale lathwasa. In 2015, I trained a 9-year-old white boy. It was all over the world, Germany and every, and there were a lot of questions. Uti umlungu angathwasa na. But loya mlungu, sorry, uze in my house from ephuphen la yibo. And wakipa leyo mfihlo ukuthi umkhulu beka busy nama mates absebenzelayo until kufika le dlozi leli lomxhosa lingena lomntwana until kufika le dlozi leli lomndawo lingena lomntwana. So by idlozi lakibo uma limletha ejaradini then kuza nabantu abaningi fuze wena njengogobela ugobele edlozini lalo yamntana ebamlethe ejaradini lakho because uyakhuliswa. Ngikhula nginjenje ngusoli
is because of amathwasana wami. Nginjenje ngosoli because of idlozi lamathwasana. Somebody asked me a question athi waguqa ungigobela wahlika isitulo wahlala phansi futhi walala. Ngathi the magic, the love, the laughter these people brought into my house, it's out of this world. This is the best group ever that I've had in my life ever since ngithwasisa, because of amadlozi wabo has done miracles for me. And I'm not gonna shy away from saying amadlozi wabo ngilo ngithi idlozi lami. Ithwasa likhona ukuvuka likutshele lithi baba ngiphuphe kuza omunye usisi usona sona so. Uma thina sesiyophengula amagobela sithi mina ngikuphuphile. But we lie. Ithwasa umntana abantu uphuphile. And remind ithwasa uma lo muntu afika ukuthi ku that queue the lady omphuphile nangu yala. Umuntu wakho khuluma nayo everything ungashiyi lutho and ube free. So the respect, the lesser respect that we are giving abogobela, the most amathwasa, the most ivaleka thina njengabogobela, because we don't respect those people. And I quoted the other day, I said, hey, abogobela needs to go to psychologist. And somebody said, ukhuluma ngani? No, bayagula most of them. We are traumatized because of there are those things we don't want to accept. Ithwasa likangipholisa mina. Ithwasa lingathi baba kunomlingo uyeza usonas asithathe nje inhlabathi yaselwandle sichele ngayo umlingo ohamba. Ungubani wena ungangitshela nomncane edlozini akuna omkhulu akuna omncane kodwa omncane ukhulisa omkhulu kakhulu. Why ngithi omncane ukhulisa omkhulu? We learn as we train them because they are different each and every day.
Respect.
No,
not
yes, Mkhulu. Yeah, yes, Mkhulu.
No, respect is a very important role, I must say.
Remember the respect. I
Khulumile.
Gobelas.
Yes. Oh, why
So
do
it
Gobelas
can't
need to
be-
respect Amathwasa? As Gobelas, Amathwasa, like Mkhulu is saying, they bring food onto our table. And remember, like he's saying, they are brought by our ancestors, whereby I'm going to say, if Ugobela inagas respect, it's in Kaluguti, most of Gobela, he spoke about something, we making them as sex objects, we treat them as if like they are slaves. And we forget to go to those people, we need to heal them. At the same time, Akfani, ilona healing process whereby kunezinye izinto ezinzima where we cannot disclose ngobungoma, you know, it's very private secret things, but now at the same time if we don't treat these people the right way, what are we doing? Because of now Nazi self traumatized labantwana, at the same time Nazi is traumatized. But now look at what is happening Konamanje in the whole king situation of Ubungoma because of now it's exposed, whereby other things were sacred, you understand, but now everybody's just talking about it, you understand. So it's important to ube respect, because of now if ugobela kana respect then it was alone respect kanjani, you know, it's a two-way thing.
Ibalekile indaba respect Sontshingase ngoba number one, irrespect inhlonipho, it's a principle of ubuntu. Yes. Yangithola, if you are a human being I'm not talking about black society manje ngikhuluma ngokuthi if you are a human being kumele urespect na uzorespecteka. Yes. You understand? Ngeke umuntu ekurespect wena ungamrespect. So lento lena iyahlobana somehow. So it's very important ukuthi umuntu ofike ebalini lakho irregardless ukuthi uze lapha ngoba ezothwasa noma uze lapha ngoba ezolashwa as a patient or uze lapha njengomvakashi okwabakhwenyana noma abantu laba bazobona uthwasa ekhaya, you need to respect all of them mawugobela so that nakusasa bakurespect. So isibuya phi manje idisrespect ibuya lapho khona abantu basheshele ukuthwasisa bangakakhuliswa bona futhi. Uyayibona ngoba kunendlela yokuthi umuntu makaqala ngene ephehlweni kukhuliswa idluzi lakhe, angithi njengoba ngichazile eqaleni, bese kuyabuya futhi uthi lo muntu mase kufika labantu ababeyizinyanga ezilapha obothwasa noma ezithwasisayo kumele angene esigameni esithile, kunama rituals, kunama requirements adingekayo ukuthi umuntu ebuyele kunyanga yakhe, ngoba ngangithwasa lapha kubabsoli mele ngibuyele kubabsoli again emzini emfundise manje ukuthi uma usuugobela manje akumelanga udawuke ukuthi bayakugobela vele they bow to you. You must also have a way yokuthi abantu ba respecta kanjani. Kulapho iprinciple le respect iqala khona ukuthi uba respecta kanjani. Awukwazi ukubiza uthwasa for an example uthi yewena. Uyayibona, we normally hear people saying that. We normally hear abantu bayenza inhlamba bayenze ngathi part yobungoma. Uyabona inhlamba ishaya enhlizweni. Uyabona umuntu makubiza ngegama elithile ishaya enhlizweni and once yathinta inhliziyo yakho ishaya isidalwa sakho ngaphakathi. Uyayibona, ishaya amadlozi akuwe emzimbeni. Umntwana ngakuxolela ngaleso sikhathi kodwa kunalento ukuthi masikaphuma ekuthwaseni akasafuna ukuzwa next ngogobela wakhe ngoba sekuhlukumezeke leli dlozi elingaphakathi ongazange ulinake from ephehlweni ukuthi mina abantwana bayazi ngaki ready clapper and all those things. Ayisebenzi lento uma uzokhulisa abantwana ngenhlamba ngoba niwakho umntwana mabangamthuki ekhaya uzothatha isagila noma uthathe ini ufuna ukuyolwa nomakhelwane. Yeah,
and again, respect you cannot buy it. But Tina Abokobela, we've got a problem. We only respect Amathwasa and Emali. We only respect Amathwasa and Emali. And believe you me, from my experience of Twasisa, Abathwasa abanganamali, they bring a lot of luck in your house. They bring a lot of wealth. They bring a lot of life. One of the reasons he touched something at Amathwasa don't go back, don't come back emzini yethu. There's two elements here. They don't come back because I don't respect them. They don't come back because nathi ngihlala phezu kokugobela. Angisugobela mina ngusola ngithi manje. Abogobela. No. I'm saying abogobela. Abafuma. Abogobela. Nikezani abantwana babantu. Into is right. Lezi eninazo. You're not gonna give me a fish. Uthi ngifake endumbeni yami unganayo. And allow Amathwasa to exercise their own spirituality endumbeni zabo. Indumba yami neyethwasana lami lizofana there and there, but isikibo fuze singene endumbeni yakibo ukuthi abantu bakibo bazohlaliseka kahle benele endumbeni.
Babukeli bamakhaya, I hope you are still enjoying the episode. I am so happy to have you guys. They said nikezani Amathwasa
Into zabo.
Nikezani
Amathwasa intwaso.
And you know, I love it when you say, I cook. I will never cook something mina engayidli. Yeah, you're gonna eat. It's a very nice meal. So what I'm trying to say, yes, I love lamb. So my people must eat lamb. I love salmon. My people must eat salmon unless they say they don't eat that.
And you know how to cook it.
Yes, honey.
Because now, if he doesn't know how to cook it, then who's opaganja na Amathwasa yonke.
Do you understand? So I love what you're saying because sometimes we undermine people. Ukuthi no, they are just my guests, so they can just. So I love what you're saying. But anyway, as we proceed, yes, I am Chef Phazana Nimbata. Oh. You know, they're always saying you're flirting abantu, so please stop doing that because you are flirting with me. Anyway, you are handsome, so it's not a problem. Okay, I love it when you guys, you touch good respect, nokuziphatha kokugobela. Now, I just want to hear your thoughts. Remember, this is Manchester and Thoughts. We've got okugobela abalala namathwasa. Abanye uthola ukuthi bengithwasa la sesiyajola sigcina sesiyashada. It's happening. Siyakubona all over. Then you'll ask yourself, there is another one nje enye nje ngibone TV yaba indaba enkulu. But I was asking myself, why kulo? But kunabanye okugobela abaziwayo. Ukade bethwasisa abantu then sebeshade nabo. It's just that we don't mention names here. Yeah. But I just need your thoughts. Remember, I need to last give my thoughts and this yako. So ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi okay fine. Since you did say don't see a twasa as a sex object. kunabanye abashadile namhlanje niyazi nani ningogobela nobathathu so let me hear your thoughts.
Yabona Sontshingase, it's uThwasa awukwazi kulala noThwasa. We must make that very clear. Noma uThwasa engaphupha ulele naye ngoba vele bayakuphupha ubuThwasa leyo nto emaphehlweni siyawezwa amaphupha reporta kanjalo akusho is one type of iphupho ungeke ulithathe literally bese uyalimplementa naye futhi lo Thwasa kana reason ukuthi ethephumile besathi hayi nani kilora kirobala libaba baba hlorobala lina ngoba mhlambe ekufensa futhi uyayibona ngoba kuyenzeka ukuthi kube nale misunderstanding ngoba if you are a real gobela esikhathini esiningi you become solutional to amathwasa wakho so inkinga abahlangabezana nabo zobona uba nama solution sometimes uThwasa uyakhohlwa ukuthi yena self kumele ngithathe lo muntu ngasiphi step ukuthi ubabami nothing more. You understand? So it's like a daughter or a son relationship with a parent. So awukwazi kulala noThwasa, you understand? So ke nake indaba yokushada Sontshingase uyangithola ukushada noThwasa ngisho noma kuyakhalwa lapha emathuneni omunye umuntu ubona umshado. Ngeke sibalekele ngoba asazi ukuthi i-relationship ne-soulmate ship iza esigabeni esinjani kodwa ke kuyenzakala ngesinye isikhathi umuntu eze vele ezothwasa kuwena kanti ulethwa abakubo uyangithola ukuthi ezofike akhilo muzi lo kuyenzeka ayiqali manje nasemandulo yayenzakala lento thina sisakhula uthola inyanga lapha mawuthi uyabheka thiwa lengane yayizothwasa maseceda yabuya yaba unkosikazi wala not forcefully so ngoba ngifuna ukukhuluma ngemanipulation ngoba ngesisikhathi kuyenzeka kube nemanipulation ingane yabantu leke iyathwasa wena uyibuke ngelinyiso you understand mase uceda setshe ukuthi wena kumele ube umfazi wedluzi yena ukubonile yini ukuthi kumele ube indoda yakhe yedluzi na ngoba lento phela kumele mayizohlangana ihlanganiswa abantu abadala from both side hayi ukuthi wena ugobela so use advantage ukuthi umntwana abantu akazi so ufuna ukumbeka nje isimeni sokushada lo mshado lo ugcina ucollapse obvious ngoba usuke wenze ubutsotsi ngaphakathi lokho ukushada mina ngiyiboni esushobe elikhulu angiyiboni njengento errong ngoba into yokuqala nje kuphela umshado ngeke nje kuthiwa umshado wami kumele ngiwuthole esontweni it's not a standard lentuzan principle yokuthi umshado ungawuthola bungaza nala eManchester and thoughts wagcina usushadile ne one of the guests uyephehlweni as well ngempela uyephehlweni as well uthole umuntu kugcine kwenzakala lokho wenzakala kona ngoba manje into enjalo kodwa ngifuna ukugqizelela kakhulu kulento lena yokuthi uThwasa olali naye ithi qale la sibuyele to the basic principles zasebungomeni ebungomeni uThwasa awumthinti there's no physical contact noThwasa siyababona abantu abathwasa lapha eDradeni ugobela ahagana namathwasa endleleni that is very wrong mase siya kumthetho weshoba it's very wrong to do that ngisho nokumbamba njengesandla omqhawule mntwana amkade ngakugcina and all those it's not allowed ngoba kuna chemistry sometimes ethintenayo leyo chemistry sometimes it's not even genuine ngoba ngesinye isikhathi it's a downfall yakho wena gobela ngoba lengane lena mayicala ifika amanthintana kunalento evukayo kanti kuvuka imimoya the next thing masolala naloThwasa abafuwa bobonke abasahloniphi ngamanje uthandana naloThwasa mawafuna ungena kubaba sebasebenzisa ubani uswithathu wakho you understand bangena ngayo.
Before I go to Mkhulsodi, it's a question you'll answer when they're done commenting. You are saying marriage, you are not against it, but sleeping with uThwasa, you are against it.
Yes.
I'm lost, but I'm sure I'll be found.
I think ukhomba indlela kulento bekayikhuluma. When you sleep with somebody, remember sex ni exchange imimoya. And inyanga zakudala bezitshelwa ukuthi inyanga bengayinasesifeni. Inyanga bengayinasephathini. Ngifuna isifo singaphe next door. Inyanga bengahambi emathuneni. But when you sleep neThwasa, uma sikhuluma ngeThwasa, sikhuluma ngeumuntu osesephehlweni, osadla ibhulu, ozilile, osadla imithi. And remember, sinemithi ethambile edliwayo. sinemithi eyomile. So uma ulala naloya muntu kusuke kumoshakale emimoyeni. Imimoya yenu noyithu. I'm not gonna say it's either. I know ukuthi usuke uthathe loyo moya womunye umntwana. Ucapture uhlale kuwe usebenzise. But ibhati yami ngamosha.
Okay, wait. I didn't catch that. I don't know the wires. I think they're here. Uthi usuke ucaptureisha umoya walothwasa
Yes.
ukuze uzohlala kuwe.
Yes.
Ugobela.
Remember ugogo umkhulu la has said ukuthi ukulalana. Just ukulalana nomuntu. Just the contact iletha imimoya. One of the reasons dala uma umuntu ethwasa bekayekisiwa nomsebenzi nesikolo, they avoided such things. So ukuthi uyohlangana nabantu emall bakubambe ubuye nemimoya ejardini ezongena ejardini ivunge loya lela jarata. So if I sleep nethwasa we exchange imimoya and kungavuka. Remember omunye nomunye umuntu ozalwa la emhlabeni unedlozi elihle nelibi. We cannot run away from that. Ungaze kuvuke lele libi idlozi bevele lisebenza njalo. Sengiyongena ulomoya ukuthi sengilala na everybody uthwasa ngale. But during my traveling thing I met impandi elala nayo. Yes, I met a guy ulala, whether you are a male, whether you are a female, whether you are a gogo or what, and bayalala banaloyo muthi bayosebenzisa. It is normal. It is normal to them. I cannot mention Lempandi. Ifikile la eJoburg nase Pretoria. They're doing it and it's normal. Lempandi yabo isebenza strictly ngemimoya, exchanging imimoyas. We exchange powers. I can give you my power if I have. You can give me your power. Ukuthi impande ikhule. And they've been doing it for decades since I've heard that. Ukuthi it is happening and bayasebenza these people. And bayothatha umuntu bapolisa umuntu ngomuthi abuyikolala nethwasa. They even doing it in their ndumbas.
Mhlambi isithwalo.
I wanted to ask that.
Bengiseza lapho ukuthi then kula kungena isithwalo khona. Because a lot of people would say ukuthi ngithwele. Mina I always say kuma social media ngithi akekho thwele la ungasuka akhuluma athi mina ngithwele. Isithwalo sibhlungu. Siza kwenzela enye into ongayazi. Angeke uyothatha into le uyithethe khona wabuya uzodlala ngayo ukuthi mina ngilanda into izavuma. Because there are rules and regulations ebakunikeza yona esithwaleni. Uma babona umuntu anamathwasana amaningi, hayi lo uthwele. Idlozi lakhe elisebenza elimnikezayo. Umuntu othwele, you will never, believe you me, umkhombe nangomuno. Banesinye isithunzi sabo because of bathwele. Coming back to the issue of ukushata ithwasa, I like what Mkhulu said. Bakhona amathwasa, ngithanda into ukuthi idlozi lingakulethela ipartner. It is true. Most of us as healers, ukuthi singashadi, sihlale single, sithanda la singathandwa khona. Sifika la singakafikiswa khona. Okwedlozi. Why am I saying that? I'll meet somebody ngivele nje ngidronkeke ngithenge konke nama-Ferrari, but idlozi alikakangixokeli ukuthi lo wami umfazi. Then wakho umfazi ngizokulethela yena ejardini. Idlozi mali kunikeza iphupho alikho straight 100%. Iphupho lizasofa uzolipake wena lukulethela ithwasa. But that thwasa sinisafika umama wasekhaya kasayenzi next. Lethwasa lona volunteer so liyakuwashela lukulethela nokudla ulibona njengalo sisi kuze kufike lelo dlozi lokutshela lathi sike sathi kuwe sizokulethela umfazi ozomshada nangu ukidiboni uyoshada ukidiboni umthathe abe umfazi but umfazi wethu at the same time amadlozi, meaning habadimbatswile she can talk namadlozi wakho. Meanwhile umama wasekhaya akhona abakuthalisi abathi yeka lo yamama, but ukhona umama ebamrecognizeayo owedlozi futhi naye akhulile edlozini. Kunamanye amadlozi awumthathi umfazi onganadlozi basuke baba nesikhwele baba markele shoburu. tlamehile kaofela e be le gore le tswa dikomeng kaofela gore le tle le bue ntho e tshwanang fana namaketla amaketla mina ngiumpedi ke lipulana ke tswa dikomeng haeso namanje koma ya bula o ka se be le gedla la lipulana la lipedi o sa tswe komeng never.
Oh, I heard that I was at Kanyisa
Yes.
Institute somewhere.
Never.
They did mention something like
Yes,
that.
it is true.
When the MC was asking the
Yes.
songs, then okay.
You know
anyway.
why? There are certain herbs angeke uye kuyo lo muthi ungakayi engomeni uzoyenza lento ewena ungayifuni kunaleyo mithi esiyithatha njengogobela sifake ejardini just like that ayenziwa lento. There are regulations yemithi eminye uma izongena enye iyahlabelwa izinkukhu enye imithi yenzelwa utshwala bubikwe ukuthi kungena umuthi oso ejardini.
Thank you, Soli. Khuluma nami ngilalele.
Thokoza mkhulu
Thokoza.
sikhuluma ngesikhohlilona
Hayi wena you lost. Khuluma mhlobo mkhulu umshado.
no ya indaba yomshado ukuthi amathwasa
Uyangibora ngoba ngiyakuthanda. Ngifumene umshado egoli. Talk to me.
no le ndaba yamathwasa ukuthi bathola umshado remember ithwasa ama lizongena esikhupheni linzani liyazila whereby lifehlo ke plek ya badimo and gona le melao e tshwanetse gore e etsiwe ka mogare ga plek eo so most ya batho go ba le di misconceptions wrong. I think Mkhulu said go you're not even allowed gore o le tshware le tshwasa at all. Amathwasa manje ngiyabona ukuthi abasayenzi lento ukuthi umuntu abeke imali phansi before zokhuluma naye ayisekho lento leyo nokuthi babona umuntu agcoke ibhayi kwamele ukuthi uguce and then umthokozise and abeke imali before uzothi thokoza. So izinto zitshentshile so neseyinzima yonke lento lena and awazi ukuthi okay uzoyi-addressa kanjani whereby khona manje ngizoye bathi sekunabantu abathi bebangekho thina the time sithwasa so
Yes, they don't have to be there.
but umthetho weshoba esiwaziyo yilento ebasitshele yona ukuthi okay into eso ayiyenzwa at all so you're not allowed ukuthi ulale nethwasa at all.
Mkhulu Ramezi, remember akhona amathwasa idlozi lakhe elingafuni ukuthi ulithwasise nabanye
Yes lifuna ukuthwasa li-1
angene
Yes.
by 10 ibaleke leyo 9 uhambe uye kubosoli bakutshela manga bathi uloyiwe ungaloywanga lele dlozi lizifuna li-1 lifuna leyo nzilo ubatla go ba i-1 modimo o ka mo jarateng ya hao ha batle tshwaratshwarano yona ha batle dilo tse ngata and after that one left go tsene 20 has no tsena 20 ore ya Makwena nantoya no Makwena did nothing but modimo wa hae una ipatla ali 1 and you have to uthwasise that one awaloyiwa awakwalwa because the problem about us ogobela rato kwalwa tshepe ho le gobela tshepa modimo wa hao now awuna motho ka nkwalang never.
Shabel cool.
Yeah, Sonjinase, le question boyibuzile ukuthi uconfused indaba yokuthi uthwasa uyangena kumele ngathinte mara kusasa uvuka abe unkosikazi wakho. Ngicabanga ukuthi umkhulisoli uyinabile. Just nje mina ukuyigcwalisela kancane ukuthi mele sikhumbule ukuthi umuntu makathwasa kunemithetho emgavinayo. Ethwasa you cannot compromise ngisho noma sekuthiwa uyayibona lento ayishoyo ukuthi lo muntu unama characteristics nozwelo futhi kuwe oluromantical uyalibona wena esegobela you must be very disciplined ukhumbula ukuthi at the same time abantu njengoba bashilo ukuthi beza ngemimoya bazalwa ngemimoya ehlukile khona umoya omuhle nomoya omubi ngesisikhathi umntwana ungena lana ngedluzi nje elikwesinye isimo uyabona lobubu rushunyana uyangithola ubona ukuthi umthetho oqala ngokuthi iskate noma imbatho lakhe aligcokayo iskate kumele sibe ngaphansi kwamadolo sibe lezansi kancane esakhe sileke siyakhuphuka uyabona kumele udamanule kumkhuza njalo siyakhuphuka iskate sakhe uyabona njengomntana makaphuma ekhaya elidiscipline ahamba esikolweni uphuma neskate eside ayi esikolweni makaphuma jiya ngekhona uyasigoba kancane sibe iskuta bebasho njalo masisakhula sibe iskuta besashona nazo so uyayikhuza izinto ezinjalo uba strictly irregardless ukuthi weak points yakho iba kuphi ingakho ngithi ogobela kumele batrainiwe mina Sonjinga sengikhula mina ekuthwaseni sazi ukuthi umfowethu oyintombazane nomfowethu omuntu wesilisa bangageza erumini eliyi-1 kunganamuntu obheka omunye umuntu ngelinyiso mina mangikhule kuthiwa
Can I add on that? Akuna gobela othwasisa male and females ongalingwanga. Yes, ithwasa. Going into bed. 2010 during World Cup, ithwasa la ngena engubeni zami. Yes, ngithwasisile, it was 25 students. We had a long weekend since Thursday. Sunday sabuya saparula sayenza konke. Ngangena ngalala. I don't lock. Angiloki mina mangilala. Mara ungangizeli ebusuku, but angiloki. No, ngisho the other person.
Okay, let's stop it there.
4 a.m. in the morning. Ntseile matha amantaga. I heard a voice ithi vuka ubode. Then mangivuka ngithi awasileli Slay Queen Siso. And ngamvusa kamnandi ngathi gogo. Avuka athi baba ngathi no Robert mo wrong.
embhedeni ethwasa
No, phansi. Ngilele phansi ngikhiphe everything because bengifuna ukuba phansi. Then yena ungenile uso beautiful. Omunye umuntu test. Ngamvusa and we talked about it and saba civil ngayo and then iphelele khona lapho. You can imagine if kuma 2000 labathwase namhlanje kube kwenzekeni.
On that note, let's move. I hope you are still enjoying the show with me, your chef, Patroni Mbata. Let's do a cheers because I'm so excited. You know. We don't put it down solely with cheers and drink, or else you're gonna help me for 7 years. I just love you guys and thank you so much, and I love our manches. Okay, now you know guys, one day you'll understand. Izinto zakwamanje nto ziyalink. I don't do a show in a link. Nikhulume ngokuthi uthasa usuke ezilile uma elapha ya. Yes. So kusho ukuthi uzilile, it's either umuntu wesilisa or wesifazane. My question now, ukulala nomuntu ofelwe wena ungakaze ufelwe i-affecta njani spiritually and ingabe ivumelekile na kunabafelokazi abafazi abafela amadoda afela abafazi then siyangena thina bochef mbathe singanabantu
bese uzogula.
Talk to me.
Let's
talk and let's educate the manches that are watching us.
All right, Togoza, let me answer that one. So as we are saying, good morning, skupeni uyazila. So now there are rules and regulations that you are told and you need to adhere to them. If you're going to if you jump and then you start sleeping with other people, like mosangene petlweni wenzani ufake itsumani. So itsumani king umuntu abantu abadala. You know, and you are told ukuthi wenzani uzilile ngale tsumani lelo ufaka ubuhlali whereby wenzani uvuma idlozi. You understand? So uvuma abantu abadala. So if wena uzophuma endleleni wenzani uzogula wena ugulisa and the next person, like siwela futhi kule point yokuthi lento zenzayo zenzani uzikinto to affect abantu abangu. So uvela in ukwala le family yawo first of all ukwala msama gobela and then wayikwala lwena. So now if wena uphuma endleleni uvala yonke into. Yes, that is why Rabbi Elisa.
ne
Bayenzani?
Rabbi
Bazilisa.
Bayila
yeah sontshinga sokulala nomuntu ozilile noma wena uzilile ulala nomuntu ozilile uzoba nenkinga noma wena uzilanga mhlamba ushonelwanga ulala nomuntu omfelwa umuntu oshonelwe mhlamba ushonelwe umntwana noma ushonelwe unkosikazi noma ushonelwe indoda uzogula sontshingazi ukuliswa yini ukhumbula ukuthi ucansi lwi-exchange of energies kukushintshana ngemimoya kukhona lo muntu wayilala naye uyangizwa sebahlanganisa ngokwegazi ngoba ukulala nomuntu nje irregardless ukuthi ushadile noma ushadanga noma ushade isilungu ushade isintu once nje wahlangana nomuntu wazi ukuthi khona lento esenihlanganisile igazi lenu seliyathintana manje lo muntu njengoba eseshonile angale wena mawuqala ulala naye uthintana naye ngokwegazi uyangithola noma uthintana naye ngokwegazi noma ukuthiwa ucondomizile for an example le mimoya izokushaya bese uba nelumbo ungagula ngalendlela emangazayo sontshingasi ukuthi uyithola ukuthi odokotela bazi nokuthi uphethwe yini ugule to a level yokuthi kube ngathi you are full blown ungekho full blown leyo nto ke ngalena la ngihlala ngakhona ke eNorthwest kuthiwa kimahoma ne namapeli bayibiza ukuthi kimahoma thina sithi lumboke ngokwesizulu into efana naleyo uzogula ngoba uguliswa leyo nto so ethwaseni discipline ifuneka kakhulu bazilile labantu kodwa khona into esebenzayo egobongweni noma esithundweni noma ebhudlweni noma ini laba bazimithi yokukhanda ibhudlu ngeke silikhande ibhudlu singafakanga imithi amaphakama la ayazisho wona ukuthi into elevator something iphakamisa imimoya iphinde iphakamise imizwa yomuntu so abantu abadla amagobongo esikhathini esiningi mabaphuma bangakazili bo 3 months uyangandaza ayinibekadla amagobongo angazili for 3 months is likely ukuthi lo muntu apheke esikhathini esiningi within that duration akakagezeki le ntuzana lemithi bekayidla ngaphakathi uyakhulelwa manje ke kuvamile njengoba besho umkhulu ukuthi uke wabona umuntu elele lapha yana kuyenzeka vele kuyiqiniso lokho siyakwazi size sikukhuze esikhathini esiningi ngoba kwenzakalani simfakele imithi ephakamisa ngisho nemizwa ngesisikhathi makayi-1 ucabanga ngenye indlela kodwa at the end of the day kumele manje si-enforce i-discipline ngoba uma wena uzocontrolwa imizwa yakho uzoshayeka nje empilweni kumele ucontrolwe ingqondo yakho ngoba imizwa kade isigilisa ngabantu
You know, can I come in? Yes, I was coming. There's one thing that you mentioned, and I wanted to add on that. You said ukuthi amathwasa alala nabantu abafelwe. Umuntu ofelwe igazi lakhe liyabila. And that's why now you see the department yokugula yethu iyenza imali ngabantu abamnyama. Why am I saying that? Abantu bagula inyawo zabantu ziyavuvuka, izandla nobuso. And mabafika esibhedlele ogqirha babanikeza amapilisi all the time. It's where we come in city re motho o khumile because of madi a anatonya a nafisa a kopane ale afisa madi a irang a khubaditse madi a. That's why when they draw blood bazothi positive. Yes, we are positive because liyabila lela gazi and uyazi ukuthi le gazi lela libilisa yini muhu usetse aphunyegile nyoko and ha muhu aphunyega nyoko go tla diboko and ha o tla diboko tlamele di fumane o ilongoro tlhokofaletswe a fodisitswe. Do I have to go in deep ke bolela ka go fodisiwa? Right. Ha ke bolela ka go fodisiwa uma ngikhuluma ngokupholisa umuntu oshonelwe vele udinga ipartner engakashonelanga ukuthi alale nayo ngaphandle ukuthi aphole angasaphinde ayolala nayo futhi. If ngukunikeza igobongo lokupholisa amakhume, I have to be honest with you ngithi after this session uyoya ngaphandle uyopholisa ngaphandle. It's a one night stand. La uyakhona awusabuyeli because wangabuyela manje wenze inyakanyaka. That is why I said on one platform ukuthi akekho umntana omncane because bathu okwesonto labo leli liningi la South Africa but umntana omncane ngapholisa amakhume ngithi the only person wakafundisa amakhume ke o ilongoro tlhokofaletsi o tseba melao ya go khuma because it's a duration. Letsatsi ala tlameila go gore le subele wena o sa le strateng a o ikwale kwa but they are doing that because of things have changed. But honestly speaking, thobalano somewhere go na le mo e fodisang teng, although it's everywhere. But when we talk about amathwasa abalala nabantu abashonelwe iletha imimoya emibi kakhulu kulelo thwasa. Angithi uthwasa akanalo lele dlozi elibi totally. That's why now our parents they ask questions and thina bogobela say asithandi that question. Uthwasa badimo babo mang. They've got rights. They've got rights to ask because ho tlhahella mafele endleleni and those people are tswanas. Ba botse ba re mafele endleleni o kene jwang. O a wa se iphendula musibo clever thina but ha o shwetse tseleng. Why ka tswana sa re ke nna mashwela tseleng he? Let it be mashwela tseleng.
Okay, let's close it there now. Let's move. Okay, now, get off Remperman. This is much as that. There's a question here. Oh, but before I go to the two questions that were asked by the Manches, I just want to ask, actually there are three. Okay, the first one of the Manche asked me if I can talk about this on the show. Sonke siyabona, youngsters are dying. Some of them are celebrities, are called celebrities, are dying. And then now, even myself, I was asking the same question. Why we are facing a situation where youngsters are dying and some of them are well-known people? It's just a question. If you are willing to answer or to give your thoughts, you are more than welcome. If you are not, again, you are more than welcome, but you must give me your reasons.
Okay.
Yeah, Thokoza.
Yeah, you know, with I think the pressure. There's a lot of pressure outside, and there's a lot of people that are advertising false information, whereby most of the famous fast. That is what we say wrong, guys. Because of now, mazo isebenzisa limit lena, uthola ukuthi at the same time abaqeda ukusebenzisa limit, abasayilandeleli yonke lento le. So I should think that's why I get maybe likaba deep kakhulu. Kayona taba, but I should think lento abazithola ngaphandle. And then amadlozi wakubo amafamily wakubo khona libathu hamba tsama ba kilo rwala. And then uthola usidimisa kolona nabajimba kulemba rwala from kwenu. And then after phone to it will affect because of now we thola kuchoming. Fast man.
Mawubeka kulezi ngaleli lo sodumo ne celebrities abantu mostly abafuna vele ukuba celebrated within. So the meantime uduma kakhulu, the meantime ama chances akho empumelelo aba maningi. So empilweni sometimes siyaphiwa lokho, sometimes siyayithathela. Kunokuphiwa vele. Mawuphiwe leyo nto leyo kuzoba nokuvikeleka edalweni zakini ukuthi uphile isikhathi eside. Ngoba iyakini lento le akunala izokudla khona. Uma ungaphiwanga lento uyithathela yona wena kusho ukuthi uzophuma ke manje uyokodokotela sibani bani bakukhandele izinto zakhona bakunikeze amandla uyangithola wokuthi uzofinyelele kuleso sigaba leso phecelezi bakuthwalise ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ufinyelele kuleso sigaba. Manje ke into yokwethwala ihambe ibe nemigomo ethile ngaphakathi futhi iba yinto ekuvumela insuku ezithile ngoba ngesikhathi sokuthi for an example kunezinye izinto sonjingase ekumele sizazi ukuthi empilweni makumele ube yimillionaire kubekiwe ukuthi ube yimillionaire mhlawumbe ungaba yimillionaire after 8 years or 9 years bese kuba khona lento ongayibuyisa wena uthole ipower ethile engakwenza ukuthi wena ukube yimillionaire ukwenze within 8 months. Uyangithola. So kule 8 months kusho ukuthi le 8 years liyana say unnecessary ukuthi iphile manje. You understand? So isikhathi sakho siyabuya siza ngasemuva manje awusakwazi ukuphila isikhathi eside. You know it's very much clear ngoba bakhona abanye umuntu akhulume you understand uthola ukuthi akasajabulanga nemedia mlandele ekhuluma ukuthi hayi sizobonana kulomhlaba olandelayo bese kwenzakala ukuthi kungapheli nenyanga ethile lo muntu lo uyahamba emhlabeni ngoba bayazi nokwazi abanye ukuthi usuke ulentuzana uma ufuna ngijule ngizokujulela sontshingasi mawufuna ngijulele ke kuloko okay ngizokujulela.
It's a very, very sensitive topic, your question. Remember, it's not here in South Africa, it's global. And into yokuthwasa, yakudala yokuthwala. It has been here for ages. And abantu bokuqala bokuthwala la emhlabeni wethu, it's kings and presidents. We have to be sibeke singayijikajiki. Yibo abathwalayo kuqala. And then now we belong to a lot of departments la emhlabeni. And it's where you are given leso sikhathi ukuthi if you do this uzophila kufika kuphi. But if you do this, hey artsibi utlobona wena gore go etsa, meaning impilo yakho will be cut short. There are those celebrities ebangena bayazi athi I will take the bullet for my family. Ithi mina ngihambe bona basale ba right. And thina we go cry, hey rest in peace, hey rest in peace. Mina I said 2024 it's a year of congratulations. No rest in peace. You won't see me. Noma wena ungahamba but wena ngizokhalela I'll say rest in peace. But I don't. But I don't do rest in peace. Ukuthwala, it has been there for years. But our youth is overdoing it because mapedi bare ba mitsa ba sohlafudi. Uyangizwisisa? Ba mitsa ba sohlafudi. That is why nasebungomeni today kunabantu abaningi abavela bathi come ngizokuthwalisa ngizokunikeza ini. People are lying. Abantu bokuthwalisa inyanga yokuthwalisa uma ungaya kiyo is not rich, believe you me. Inyanga eyokuthwalisa uma ungangena kuyo ungajika ukuthi hawa yena lo la kuna next. But inyanga ihambe yayenza ama loan yathenga expensive cars asiphaka la ngaphandle athi bonani kinalink, people run and badliwa ama 15,000 ama 20,000 and they come back. He knows 5 guys they went out bayothwala bayinyangeni bayinikeza imali uma babuya oyi1 wasebenza nyana ifo yangase. They fought for years. He knows the story. They fought impi yokudubulana inyanga akusana muntu okushayana phela basana amandla sekuyadujulana lapha. Uyangizwisisa? So lento yokuthwala dala ikhona and sizofa ikhona. It exists, but you have to do it the right way. We're doing it the wrong way.
Lento yokuthwala ikhona, but we have to do it ngendlela eyiyo. Babukela mamakhaya, as I always say, munchies and thoughts. You come and give your thoughts. And Ushev will ask questions, because I ask questions. This is the last one. Then we move, because I'm sure you guys are tired and you're still coming back. This one, a munch from German. Guys, we've got munchies in German. And I want to say to my munchies in Swaziland, we love you guys in UK. And of course, I am still an author before munchies. Before munchies? But anyway, this one, this munchies, he's like, Chef, I love your show. He's about to get married. I will read the way it is. Are LGBTQ marriages accepted by our ancestors and in the spiritual realm? Are the marriages conducted the same as the normal marriages that we know? You've been practicing for 30 years, 21 years. Like, yes, I know I'm one of them, but I'm not going to be angry, whatever that you guys are saying. Like, our marriages. I know in Christianity, there are a lot of things. So some Christian, they accept, some they don't accept. I just want to understand, because we all know, guys, most Zangomas are gays and lesbians. And bayashada. Ngikuthi mina ngamtholo wami. Maybe ngizoshada one day. Nakusiwa lona ibatshe uzayo yabona wena manje. I'm told. So I just want to understand your thoughts. Really emadlozini ngabe umshado yethu iyamkelekile.
I've had so many consultations. I think I've done with a lot, even on my previous TV shows, whereby a gay guy came and then bekafuna ukwazi ukuthi babakhe uhappy na ngale ndoda le anayo. And there was a guy from Congo, I think I met also. He was dating some guy. You know, that is only like a difficult thing. But I think how yeta sito sakolona, like how Joseph family. As my soul, like amanyamados ayavuma. But amanyamados if you look okay abayivumi ukuthi indoda ihlala nenye indoda. I think it depend ukuthi like uthoko family ngezwanga. I don't know.
So it's all about families, that's what you're
Yeah.
saying.
Nge-tribe yamadlozi.
What are you saying? Mkhulu ngathi you are uncertain. What are you saying? Don't be.
Let me not run away from it.
Yeah, you
It's a-
are. Because now you're saying,
Yeah.
Amaya Mandozi, I don't know Mkhulu son.
You know,
Which
it's,
story are we not talking
it's,
to?
you know what? People discriminate. Let me say it the way it is in Trinidad.
Yes.
But uthola ukuthi you know what? If amadlozi akini ayabona ukuthi you are content with the person that you have, and then angiboni ukuthi like kuzoba ne problem because of bayazi uzoshaya umhlahla umbuzo ukuthi okay, ucheck amadlozi akuba ukuthi idlozi liyamvuma nomuntu lo and then idlozi limvume. But uthola ukuthi abanye abantu people will always discriminate. Remember as black people they still have that thing.
No, I think you are concerned about people. We are talking about imshado yethu accepted by amadlozi. Amadlozi abantu abangasekho ngithi. Leave me, the one that I'm still alive. I'm talking about le ukuthi when ungugobela for 21 years and uyafundisa uyakhulisa. Just give your thoughts. What's your thoughts?
Yabo so ngizongattack mina amadlozi amayavuma as long as mina ngihappy. Mina as long as mina ngihappy.
Okay,
I think happiness is
So your underground gang bavumile nje.
hey mangashada ngithi ngisasesingile.
No,
But abanye bayavuma because I've always been like this all my life and I should think ukuthi angeke bangenzise into ebangayifuni
Are you
now.
dating?
No, at the moment no.
You dated before?
Yes, I have.
Did you
I was in a
introduce?
relationship.
Did you introduce your person?
I
What?
did. Ngampathela endumbeni.
Wabatshela.
Ngabatshela ukuthi okay, this is the person that I'm seeing.
Uma phuma wamphahlulula, yeah, I got you.
Yeah.
I did. No, remember. Okay, makasaphuma ngithi okay siphahle sithu. But makasaphuma nginaye.
Bekawumngoma naye.
Yeah, ngiyisangoma naye. So now makasaphuma obviously relationship ayise kuba ngimajile amadlozi ukuthi okay, lo muntu ngimkhiphile ngicela omunye ke.
Edlozini, it's a bit difficult, honestly speaking, to accept same-sex marriages. Uyayiphahlela uyikhulumise, but you find ukuthi le dlozi elukuphethe idlozi lakudala lomkhulu akayazi lento or it's taboo to them. It only depends edlozini lako ukuthi liyavuma or alivumi. But on my side, idlozi lami lithanda abafazi. I should actually get married to 5, 6, 7 or 8 yabafazi, but ngiphahlele mina ngithethe inkomo ngaphahla ngathi ayi nangasikhoni kababa ngata so ngeke ngikhone isithemba ngeke ngisikhone ngisithanda so no one wami. You understand? But I've trained, I've bakhulisile esebashadile and they are happy. And yes.
Say it. I don't like it.
Abafana abashadile boyithu.
Ngibakhulisile abafana
Yes,
abashadile.
Ngibakhulisile amantombazana ashadile. That was a month ago. Yeah. And then I was there and they are happy. Sibhulile sahlola idlozi. Mina I'm one person ngiyabhula, but I always go for second and third option. Before senze izinto ngazithathela isinqumo. We went out, we checked and then go to amadlozi ayavuma. They are happy and actually they are about to have twins.
Okay. So kahle amadlo it's called I thought I'm just telling the bunches. Yes. So wena nge-experience yakho ucheckile kwavunywa. So kusho ukuthi it's accepted.
And remember, another thing, I like your question, but can I turn your question futhi ngiyenze yami? Bakhona abantu ophethe ikhehla.
Okay.
Angumama.
Okay.
Le khehla le lifuna umama. And we abantu bamadlozi, we overdoing this. The other day I saw this guy, he was wearing frontal. And he was dancing a frontal, abambe a pole, a swinging a pole. And a lot of people said, and mina I said, if he's wearing a frontal, nyama, and wearing a frontal idlozi, there's a problem. But if he's gonna wear a frontal nyama, then mangene idlozini akumuli frontal, I'll accept that person. Because of you can't be two things at the same time. Nginedlozi mina elo mama. Engilaziyo lo mshangano lo mama ubuya engomeni yabafazi. Uma lifikile I wear xibelani and I look beautiful eh? I wear xibelani. And nachina xibelani china ngofu. You understand? and ngiba loyo mama kuleso simo that time, and loyo mama unomkhulu wakhe anaye, of which nginendoda yamadlozi edlala that part yobudlozi kuphela. Angeke asuke uma sesiqedile laba uthola ukulanda sedlozini akunikeza ichobo wena uthi ugogo uyakuthanda kahle uma seka inyama athi ngikupa di number. No, asidlali leyo game. Edlozini kusedlozini, enyameni kusenyameni. It is there, it has been there, and believe you me, mina I like reading. Ne ngafunda ukuthi umshado wokuqala la emhlabeni ngilalela, underline this, ngiyakufundisa. Umshado wokuqala qala la emhlabeni kwakuyindoda nendoda.
Okay, because of time, I'm gonna give Ushoba and then you give your wisdom because ngifuna nidli lunch sisazobuya futhi. You Pilankula, I don't know if he's here. If he's not here, I'm bringing the same panel. Siyayiqhuba le ndaba ngoba kuzazokhala. So, Shobel Khulu.
Hayi Sontshingas. Hayi angitholakala ngophawu.
I thought as much. Okay. On that note, I want to say thank you so much to all the munchies that are always supporting the Munchies and Thoughts. To my guest here, thank you so much. And of course, I have a book on my own. This is a beautiful book. Please do order this book. For now, you get this book from me because I can sell. It's not yet in my shopping because I said, let me sell. I even told my publisher, let me do it by myself. And the book is doing well. And the testimonies from this book are amazing. And thank you so much. You can send me an email or you can WhatsApp me. My number is all over the world. And I want to say to all the munchies that they always say, hi, Chef. I love you guys. And I appreciate you guys. And the Munchies and Thoughts, to sonke and Sisazo Kubega. And in support yenu, we are going far. And on that note, it's a wrap.
Wow.
And goodbye for now, darlings.